What is going on? This is Sergio here, and I want to get you started on the right path. So, first off, I want to give you some tips that I believe will help you. I've been on this journey for 2 years now. I started in August of 2020 when I was a struggling school teacher. I used to live check to check, and I wanted to find something real that I could do in my spare time. Something that didn't involve, door to door knocking, recruiting family and friends, or even selling to family and friends. One of the things that kept me offline for so long was the idea of even having to hold inventory, having to buy thousands and thousands of dollars worth of products and having to upsell for profit. Well, now the good news is you don't have to do any of that. This business model that's been around for decades, you're going to be learning more about it. And again, I want to get you started on the right path. So here are a few things that I want you to pay attention to. First off, I'm going to be sending you a replay of the latest training that we held in August. It's going to be sent right over to your email right now. So after this video is over, go ahead and check it out. If it's not in your main inbox, what I want you to do is please check your spam folder. Chances are, unfortunately, sometimes it goes in there. So what you want to do is move that over to your main inbox, because in the future, I'm going to be sending you over many more strategies, many more updates of things that I'm doing that are working. That way, you can check it out and see if they can work for you as well. Because in the end, I only like to recommend things that work. And this new one that I discovered earlier this year is the best method that I've found so far. And you're going to learn more about it here soon, along with my partner, Zach. I mean, within 30 days of implementing the method, I was actually able to receive this award right here for making over $10,000. And in fact, I made $15,000. And it was implementing this method that you're going to see here. So after this video is over, be sure to check out that training in your email inbox. The second thing I highly recommend for you to do, because there's going to be live trainings being held every single week to help you. And it's not going to cost you a dime. So put away your credit cards. It's all to help you. It's to see if it's something you want to take more seriously. So the cool thing is you can check it out. You can learn the skills, pass them on to your family and friends, whoever. I've done it. I've been able to help my relatives. I've been able to show my friends, and it's a big opportunity. I mean, you can really make a big income if you seriously decide to look into it. So on the second page after this, you're going to be able to see the Facebook group. I actually, below this video, you should be able to see a button on how to do that. So you'll be able to join the Facebook group. You'll see Zach. Again, that's my partner. That's the method that I'm using now to be able to get these results. So, quick tip, be sure to enter the questions when requesting to join, because if one question is not answered, your application may just be denied. And I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to get like the full experience and be mind blown. I mean, I was mind blown when I first saw it, so I know you're going to like it. So that email, check your email for that training. Second step, I highly recommend it, is join the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. That one is oof. The last thing, all I request is focus. Focus. What a lot of people lack, especially in the online space, is focus, because they don't have the right type of guidance. They don't have the right guidance. They don't have the right person to show them. They don't have the right business model. And this is the one that truly has helped me. I've introduced this method to many people, and it's helped them as well. I know it can help you. Even if you're not tech savvy, it doesn't matter what your age is. It doesn't matter what your background is. It doesn't even matter if English is your second language or third. There are people here who are in their 80s. They're from all over. I mean, they're from Germany, Australia, Mexico, del Sur. No importa. What matters is that you are here. You want to check it out, and again, see if it's something you want to take more seriously. So, check your inbox. Join the Facebook group down below. If you have any questions, I am here for you. I am always here for you. So get to it, and I'll see you on the other side. Good luck.